And yeah, it's about that time of the year, man. Out here, getting in the yard, getting this pool together. You see how dirty it is in there and in the bottom. So what I've been doing, I've been using this tool here, try to get it up from the bottom. And I've been doing this for like 2-3 days. I think I'm about to go get this pool vacuum, go ahead and suck all that up, because this is taking forever with the little net thing. And I'm back here, just arrived back at home with the Lektra FX pool vacuum cleaner. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up and see how it actually looks. Alright, so it's in a tall, slender box. Okay, easy to assemble, it's only like a couple pieces. Alright, there's a pole. And there's the little bottom part of the vacuum. I'm guessing I just snapped that right on in. Okay. Test it like that, and there's my pole. And let's see. Alright, this is the pool head, the vacuum cleaner head. Okay. Let me read my directions. So we got here. Everything already in there? I guess so. Yeah, I guess I just plug it in and yeah. Alright, so of course that suction piece attaches to the end here. Alright, it does attach this right on. Yeah. There we go. That's good. So all this is just warning stuff, no directions really. So let me get some batteries in here. Where do the batteries even go? Yeah. Okay, this one's twist. So this feels like this is where the batteries go, but it's not what it should. Okay, so this twists up, huh? It's gotta go in here. Yeah. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay. Alright, so it needs 2, 4, 6, 8 AA batteries. This thing takes 8 AA batteries. And I called to confirm just to make sure that we had 8 AA batteries. Shay let me know that we did. pool. But first, before I put water in there, remember how I had those stones under the sticks, under the legs of the pool? So I'm about to go ahead and set that up and basically set the pool up how it's supposed to be. Set the stones underneath the legs, make sure everything's even. And yeah, I probably won't fill it all the way up. I'll probably just fill it up to there's geese over there. Probably just fill it up till there's enough water to actually vacuum and get some suction going. So yeah, let's get it. All right, so these are my results after about, I've probably been out here about an hour and a half. And that was just, just vacuuming the bottom, because you really have to go really slow if you really want to suck all the stuff up. Because I guess, like, from reviews I've read online, it doesn't really have a great suction. So it does help if you move around the pool a little bit slower, because you don't want to create waves to kick up the dirt for it to be flying around, because it's only going to suck up the bottom. So, I mean, you could look around the bottom. I don't know if I could pull up a before and after. But yeah, there's not really a lot of that stuff at the bottom. There is, the water is cloudy, you still have to treat it with chemicals and stuff, but you see leaves and stuff floating around, little tiny particles. I'm about to get that with the little skimmer over here. See if I can get, all the stuff that's floating. Just like that. Hey, what's up everybody? Just out here for the next day. It is the next day and I'm out here checking on the pool. Before I went in last night, I did fill it up. Went ahead and filled it up all the way. It does seem like it's just as even as last year, so don't have to worry about any digging this year or anything. We did go ahead and cover it, because we didn't want any more debris to get inside the pool. So let me go ahead and take this off real quick. All right, so I just got the cover off. Some debris just went into the pool just because it was on the pool cover. If anybody knows any tricks on how to get the pool cover on the pool very easily, just let me know in the comments, because man, I struggled with that so bad last night. But coming around, besides that debris, you can still see some stuff on the bottom of the pool floor. I'm gonna try to vacuum today. Hopefully it goes a little bit better today, so yeah. Also, another thing, the reason why I filled up the pool is so I could go ahead and run the filter over there. Yeah, so I could go ahead and run the pool filter and skimmer thing. So yeah, I'm gonna run the filter, run the vacuum, and get the net for that debris that just went into the pool. All right, so I'm about to get back to vacuuming, but today I think I'm going to use the sock technique, the sock method that I've seen online in other videos that other people have used. And sorry if you can't hear me or if the background is a little bit noisy. They're still building houses. Let me show you what they're developing now. So yeah, now they're building houses up that hill or mountain back there. They just sold these other two houses. So the technique was to use an old sock, and here I have an old sock. If you're gonna do this technique, I suggest you do better than me and not use somebody else's sock. Right now I'm using Shay's old sock. Don't worry, Shay, we have a whole basket of socks with no matches, no pairs. So this came out of the basket with no mate. So you're not even missing this sock, so don't worry about that. But yeah, you're gonna put the sock inside the filter, and I'm gonna show you where the filter is. Okay, so to get to the filter is going to be in here, so you have to untwist this. You're going to untwist right here. No, my mistake. You're going to twist this off. You're going to twist it from right here. So a simple twist lets you take that off. So that's the little head suction part. And here is the filter. I think this one's dirty because I didn't clean it out last night. So yeah, there's the filter, and that's where you're going to put the sock. You're going to put the sock right in there. And the reason you're gonna put the sock in there, because you see the filter. Well, let me clean it out first. All right, so I just cleaned it out. And to clean it out, all you gotta do is just spray it with the water hose. That's all it does. Takes 2 or 3 seconds. So yeah, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the sock in there. And the reason why you're adding the sock is because you see the pores aren't really as fine. So you're adding the sock so it'll be a better filtration system. So yeah. I just finished vacuuming for the second time, and it actually looks like it picked all the extra little, all right, so you see the little top, that's little still floating up top, but I'm about to turn on this filter. I haven't turned it on yet, but I was just checking on the job that it's been doing, and it looks like the bottom of the pool is actually kind of clear. I'll probably go over like 2 more times before actually getting in it. And I still got to add chemicals and all that, but right now I'm about to just run this filter. So I just tried to turn on the filter. I have it connected, got the cord connected to the house. No power, no motion, no buttons, no nothing, like nothing's happening. So that's something I have to figure out, you know, moving forward. And that's something else I gotta figure out. Hey, what's up everybody? About to just wrap this video up real quick. So my final thoughts on, my final review on this Lektra pool vacuum cleaner. My final thoughts on this, it sucks. I do not recommend this. Probably out of 10 stars, I'll probably give this a 4. Probably give this a 4 out of 10 stars. One reason why, I mean, I feel like I didn't need it. It really